audible. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, that was my take on ASMR if you could not tell. Hi. So this is an unboxing video as you can clearly tell from the title, but I had not shot the intro for this video before unboxing because I wanted my intro to have this mic effect on its audio. So that's what I'm doing now, as you can clearly tell. And yeah, I had shot this unboxing. I unboxed the video and then afterwards I'm shooting the intro for the video. So that's it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, my name is Panaga and I make usually time lapses where I study, and now I have kind of a different video out there, as in like this is sort of like a vlog, or I don't know, probably an unboxing video. This is definitely an unboxing video, what you're saying. Yeah, so this is an unboxing video where I unbox this. Okay, this is the box. So I'm going to unbox BOYA BY-M1 microphone. BOYA BY-M1 microphone. Okay. So this I bought by Amazon, I guess 3 days ago, and it costed me, I don't remember actually. I'm going to put it in the video. I don't remember. So somewhere around here. I'm not sure. Okay, so yeah, so basically I bought this to boost my audio quality in the video, and hopefully I am able to do that. You guys have to tell. And okay, so that's all for the introduction, I think. So we'll jump right ahead into the unboxing video. See you there. Okay, so here goes the unboxing of the new BOYA BY-M1 microphone. So we have the box. So as you can see on the front of the box, it is nothing but just the branding. It comes with the image and a nice pretty lady probably wearing and showing how we may look if we wear the same microphone. And on the left side you have the lavalier microphone, micro crevice. Okay, we can see this branding, and we have the BY-M1 brand name, and it says here for smartphones, for camcorders and DSLR or audio recorders, PC and etc. So basically you wear this while using for smartphones and all. So on the back of the box we have the features, specifications, and on the right side we have the same thing, except we have the BOYA for audio series branding, and on the top there is nothing, and on the bottom yet there is nothing. So this is the overall look of the box. So we'll go ahead and okay, so I got my scissors. Doesn't this sound like I'm in a cutting shop or a barber shop? Okay, let's go ahead and dive right in. So I have not opened this, so this is the first time I'm opening. So for all my videos till now I was not using any microphone, so I'm going to change that by using this microphone. Hopefully you might hear a lot of background noises in this video, so there's that. Okay, this seems promising. Oh, so right off the box we have, okay, this is empty. Yep, it's empty. So okay, right off the box we have a BOYA bag, or yep, some kind of a bag here. I'm going to keep this aside. We have here a warranty card, as you can see here. This focus, yeah, warranty card, and we have here the instruction manual itself. So Yep, we have, this is the instruction manual written in to more than one language for sure. So yeah, basically you have the main features highlighted. So this we're going to, probably I'm going to need this in the future, but till then, okay, let's look at the main deal, that is this one. So these things aside, so this is a nice bag, and we have the microphone itself. Wow. Okay, we have, is this a sticker? Qualified certificate. Oh, okay, so this has passed QC. Yay. Okay. And we have the silica gel, which no one cares. Discard this, people. And yeah, that's it in the pouch. Pretty nice pouch actually. And okay, so we have here with us, okay, so this is the 3.5 headphone, I mean the thing that goes to this goes to 3.5 jack, and this is the microphone itself. I think I have to remove this. I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay, I've got this sorted. And what do we have here? Ooh. So we have this styrofoam, or I don't know the material, but usually this goes on top of this microphone so that you don't get this wet, or while talking you don't accidentally, like when you talk you don't spray instead of speaking. And what are these? Yeah, this is the clip, I'm guessing. Yeah, this is the clip that goes onto your collar or your dress piece. I don't know how do you open. Yeah, so this is like this, that crocodile teeth one. And we have here the battery. So this is kind of like battery, I mean this is lithium. What is this? Why am I not able to open those? This is sealed. Okay, oops. Okay, we have the battery. There is nothing. Okay, there is some specifications that is not relevant to us. Okay, so let's take the manual, because I have no idea, like I haven't used any microphone, or nor my friends have that I know. So I'm going to use the manual to set up the microphone, and probably, I don't know. Okay, so we have here replacing the battery using the microphone with smartphone. Okay, first it says attaching the microphone to the clothing clip. So we have here this, where is the microphone? Okay, here it is. So okay, this should go, this will go right here. Okay, yep, this went. And then what else? Mounting the microphone. Okay, this is not, you don't need that. Using the microphone with camera. Install the battery in right polarities. Attach the microphone to your clothing. Move the switch on the power back on the camera. Okay, so I need to first see if this already contains a battery, or should I put this one. So I'm going to do that now. So unscrew two parts of the power pack and separate pieces. So I guess this goes like this. Yeah, it came off. It came off effortlessly. I'm trying to unscrew. Okay, so here goes the battery. Probably Okay, I think this is how it should go. If this doesn't work, I have to take it out, put it again in the other order. Okay, I've tightened it back. Place the new battery with the plus minus indicatedly into the battery. Okay, so then what? Okay, we have two modes here. You can see. Can you let me zoom in? Okay. Yep. So we have the camera. Okay, we have the camera mode and the smartphone mode or the off mode. So this is smartphone or the off. This is the camera mode. So I'll keep it into camera mode because I need to uh, use or test this on camera. And okay, let me take out this one because it says here how long is this one? 6 meter cable, so you can see that. Focus. Okay, so I have finally set up this microphone. As you can see, I mean, probably I'll use my phone as the secondary camera for now because I want you to know that what I had to go through to set this baby up. Okay, so basically we had to it automatically took care of the situation, but I just had to verify that it was up and functional. So this is the BOYA BY-M1 microphone, and yeah, that's pretty much it. So back to the cam. See you there. So we have here my camera, that is the Canon M50 Mark II, and right over here you need to there is a slot for the 3.5 mm audio microphone plug. You just put it into this jack carefully, and once you do that, let's take a look into the menu. So in the menu option, you have to be sure, like, just make sure you're in the just make sure you're in the first camera mode, and then in the first page, and you see the sound recording. So initially it will be in auto mode before putting any microphone. Now you need to make it into manual, and you can also adjust the recording level or the threshold. So I have left it by default where it automatically had set for me. So it's somewhere around 25 to 50%. It's just after 25%, as you can tell. And also, like, clearly you can see the fluctuations in the audio levels that you can see in the given the bar. Why my camera is not at all focusing? Hold on. Yeah. So yeah, the audio levels, you can see it's picking from this microphone. As you speak, the levels just the reflections, you can see increasing or decreasing ones. Okay, probably now you can see clearly. Yeah. So according to the microphone, the least sensitivity, like the least it can go to is up to minus 30 dB. So the camera supports up to minus 40 dB, and the highest pitch it can record is obviously it's 0 dB. And yeah, so that's how I set it up. Then once you do this, you just go to your recording mode over here. It's already in the recording mode, and you just record as you would, like, normally. And that's how you use the microphone with the camera, a Canon M50 Mark II. Hello, this is mic testing 1 2 3. Okay, this is in mic. I'll remove the mic. So this is without mic. I'll put it back in. I hope this is different to sound. I don't know. I just forgot that the whole time that I talked in the previous video, the mic was off. Okay, remember, if whenever you try to use this mic, So you please make sure that focus, come on. Okay, this is fine. Please make sure that it's in the camera mode and not in the, what is this, smartphone mode, because that is going to screw you. Like if you were to do long videos, probably 30 minutes or an hour video, that would just be a bite in your ass. So I would recommend, please check before shooting or recording the microphone is on or not. Okay, so my take on this thing. So after I unboxed, I was trying to figure out a way where how I could incorporate this microphone into the camera that I have. That's the Canon M50 Mark II, and it was quite easy actually. So as soon as I plugged in the 3.5mm plug into its jack, the mic jack that's given on the body, I was able to, I mean, the camera itself automatically picked up it detected the microphone and it automatically adjusted all the levels for me. So, but then, yeah, I saw some YouTube videos and then I sort of manually adjusted the, what is that, threshold. And yeah, so it's up and working, functioning quite good actually. So if you can listen to my audio, I mean, obviously you can, if you were to compare this video's audio to my prior videos, so I am sure that it's much better than what you had experienced before in the previous videos. If this is not great, at least it's better than those videos, because I live where there are a lot of construction of houses going on in these days. So that is a huge plus point, owning a mic. And yeah, this is just a basic mic. It may be, I don't know, it may suffice me for probably 2 years or 3 years, I don't know. Down the line I might buy another mic, which is, it can be mounted on the camera and all those stuff. And yeah, so this, you can wear it with this because of this crocodile. Yeah, so this crocodile clip we have here, and you can hardly, okay, I might take some time to get used to this, but I will be only wearing this if I want to talk, not when I'm time lapsing. I mean, when I'm doing a time lapse. So yeah, that was it. And I don't know, maybe perhaps I might use this in the future to do some ASMR shots or something. I'm not sure, but I have few things on my mind. I don't know. Can you hear me? That was my take on ASMR, if you cannot tell. Hi, hello. Am I audible? Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. If you're new here, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and comment down any ideas or thoughts or opinions that you have on this video or any of my previous videos, and do share this to anyone that might find this helpful. I don't know, probably, I'm not saying I'm a I'm a review expert on technology or a tech guy, but hey, who is, like, I'm not like competing with any of the existing ones, so I'm just giving you my opinion and my take on this BOYA mic. And yeah, it's really weird to hold such a small thing and talking like you're holding a microphone. I mean, yeah, that's all.